Yo guys, AA Designs here today. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to teach you how to get started when customizing shoes. Let's get into it. So guys, the first step always when customizing shoes is you need a shoe. Now, as you've seen in my other videos, I do really like customizing Air Force Ones because they're really easy and they're leather and the paint does not bleed into the material. So if you're ever going to look into customizing, I suggest some leather shoes of some kind because it's really easy. When you're customizing, you do need a couple of materials to start. Now, I find tape to be very, very handy because in order for your custom to be like perfect and exact, you need to have tape to cover up the areas where you don't want the paint to be. Now, if you are a very exact person and you're able to paint very, very exactly and precisely, then you go for it. But personally, when I'm painting and when I'm doing a custom, like I'm trying to go like fast, right? So this really, really helps because if you make a mistake, then you won't get it on a part of the shoe that you don't want the paint to be. Next thing you need is an X-Acto knife. Now this is something optional, but I like it because it's in the name, X-Acto. You want to get your tape, when you tape up a part of the shoe, exact so that the edges are covered and everything like that. And let's roll a clip of one of my customs where I use the X-Acto knife. Next thing you need to paint a shoe is, you guessed it, paint. I normally use Posca pens, as you've seen in all my videos, because it's super easy. It's like literally just drawing with a tip, right? Other people prefer paintbrushes, just dipping that in like Angelus paint or something like that, but that's personally not my type of style. But if that is you, then fully go for it. And if you're gonna use paint like that, I recommend Angelus because they specialize in this kind of stuff. So guys, now that you've got your tape, your X-Acto knife, and then your paint pen, or just paint, you can start the shoe. So this is like the beginning process. You can start drawing on your Air Force One or whatever shoe you choose. And if you want to get a design, stencils are really cool. I'll put a link to stencils down below. But when you're done with the custom and then all the paint is dry, you gotta have some way to make the paint stay on the shoe. And so that's why you need a finisher, okay? So for this, unfortunately, they don't come in pens. So you're gonna need to actually use a finisher, but it's really easy. Like I use a paintbrush or sometimes just a Q-tip and just rub it on the shoe after it's dry, just to ensure that the paint stays on the shoe. So this is very essential because you don't want your custom to be all cracky and ugly and the paint starts falling off. Anyway guys, I've given you all the tips. Hopefully this was helpful. Once again, tape, very essential. This is optional, the X-Acto knife. You obviously need your paint. And when it's all done, you gotta put a finisher. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video here today. Hope you all enjoy your holidays. And it has been AA Designs, and I am out. Peace.